Let's see how to create folders in GCP via console. In this case, I am going to create two folders called General Workload and Assured Workload under my organization, which is ctech-academy.com. And I am going to create two subfolders called Development and Production under General Workload folder. Go to your project selector and choose your organization. Click the three dots on your top right and select Manage Resources. Now under Create Folder, select Folder option, which is your standard Google Cloud folder. I've given the folder name to be General Workload and the location is my organization, and hit Create. Now as you can see, folder called General Workload is created under my organization. Now I'm going to repeat the same process to create Assured Workload folder. Select the three dots and choose Manage Resources. Select the option under Create Folder called Folder. Give the folder a name. In my case, it is Assured Workload. And choose your location. In my case, it's the organization node. And hit Create. So as you can see, we have two folders under my organization called General Workload and Assured Workload. Now I'm going to create a folder called Development under my folder General Workload. So I've given my folder name to be Development and my location as General Workload. And similarly, I'm going to create another subfolder called Production under General Workload and hit Create. Now, as you can see, we have created two folders under Organization node called General Workload and Assured Workload and two subfolders under General Workload, which is Development and Production. Now your folders are ready for use.